get the sack. The idiom, get the sack, is a common expression in English that means to be fired or to lose one's job. This phrase is often used in informal contexts and it has a negative connotation. The origin of this idiom can be traced back to the early 19th century when workers used to carry their belongings in a sack or bag. If they were dismissed from their job, their employer would put their belongings in a sack and hand it to them as a symbol of their termination. Here are a few examples of how to use the idiom, get the sack, in sentences. 1. John was always late for work, so he eventually got the sack. This sentence means that John lost his job because he was consistently late. 2. The company had to downsize, and unfortunately, many employees got the sack. In this example, got the sack is used to indicate that several employees were laid off. 3. Sarah was caught stealing from the company, so she got the sack immediately. Here, the phrase suggests that Sarah was fired on the spot due to her misconduct. 4. Despite his efforts, Tom's performance was not up to par, and he got the sack. This sentence implies that Tom was fired because he did not meet the expected standards. It is important to note that get the sack is an informal expression and may not be suitable for formal or professional contexts. In such situations, it is better to use more formal terms like be terminated or be dismissed from the job.